So my friend Kristen has a house down in Sandwich, Mass, a family house down there, and there's a school called the Riverview School, and it's like a technical school, and they have a cafe where the kids learn to cook and serve and whatnot, and they make this amazing chicken salad, cranberry chicken salad. So I figured out, I recreated it at home. So what you're gonna do is take 2 chicken breasts. I like Bell and Evans. They're kind of natural, no antibiotics and all that. And they're normal sized chicken breasts that you would actually see on a chicken, as opposed to the ginormous, freakish sized ones. I'm gonna rinse my hands because they're gross. So then I'm just going to season them with salt and pepper. And these are kind of my go-to spices: garlic powder and some onion powder, seasoning salt, and some paprika. So these are bone-on, skin-on chicken breasts. Okay, so oven is up to temperature. Getting these bad boys in here for 45 minutes on 400 degrees. And then I've donned the apron. We're gonna make the sauce and finish up the chicken salad. Okay, so 45 minutes later, this is what your chicken's looking like. So you're gonna let that rest for a bit. It's actually rested already. And then you're gonna just remove the skin and take it off of the bone. Make sure there's no bones like that are sneaking in there. All right, that's done. Is there any more meat? You don't want to leave anything behind. All right, so from here, okay, so in this bowl, we have a half a cup of mayonnaise. I prefer Mike's Amazing Mayonnaise. I just like the taste better. Half a cup of mayo, 2 teaspoons of Dijon, half a cup of dried cranberries, 2 tablespoons of chive, 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, salt and pepper, which I will get to. But right now we're gonna just cut the chicken up into chunks. There's a bone. See, you gotta watch out for those little sneaky guys. Okay, so this, I'm gonna mix this all up so it's like a dressing. To it, we're gonna add, pepper, salt and pepper to taste. And, all right, that one doesn't work. Okay, we'll start with that. Add our craisins and the chicken. Whoops, Coda. Add a little floor cleaner. And we're just gonna stir that up. And let's give it a little taste. I think that's good. And that is the Riverview-ish chicken salad. Lunch is about to be served.